Welcome to Sadbhavna News and I am Poonam Sharma. Online food aggregator Zomato has decided to shut down all its international businesses. Zomato has also shut down its direct-to-consumer experiment in nutraceuticals. We are also shutting down our operations in Lebanon, which is the only international business we were left with, that is other than dining out business in UAE. After shutting down the rest of our international operations last year, Zomato said in a release. The release mentioned that Zomato's core food-related businesses, food ordering and delivery, dining out and Hyperpure will remain its key value drivers for the next years. It noted that all the businesses Zomato is either divesting or shutting down contributed less than 1% to its adjusted revenue and 13% to its adjusted EBITDA loss in Q2 FY22. Our mainstay food ordering and delivery business is an opportunity where we expect huge shareholder value creation going forward. We believe that the food delivery market in India is still nascent and there is an opportunity to grow the market at least 10 times over the next few years. Zomato underscored. It added that the company is pumping in investments in ecosystem companies around its food delivery business so that the cost of improving its food delivery business. The release stated that Zomato is also in talks with several restaurants, point of sale players, e-vehicle fleet operations to evaluate investments. Zomato has also decided to back a platform play for all direct-to-consumer brands by investing in ShipRocket. Besides this, Zomato is in the process of selling Fitso to CureFit for $50 million. The online food aggregator will also invest net $50 million cash investment plus value of the Fitso business that is worth $50 million. Due to this investment, Zomato will have 6.4% shareholding in CureFit. This will help us potentially explore cross-selling benefits between Zomato and CureFit, as we see food and health becoming the same side of the coin in the long term, the release said. For arthroscopy and sports injuries.